Fixing a broken wing mirror on a Ford Focus Mk2. I'll be replacing the main mirror and the black casing, but this video is also useful for those of you wanting to do a complete wing mirror swap. First, pull off the tweeter speaker outer casing by hand, as shown. It should pop off easily. Next, to take off the wing mirror's inner panel, which also holds the tweeter speaker. Here is the preview of the two white trim retainers that you are trying to release. Now carry on down the side, releasing the panel from the rubber door seals. The hardest panel retainer to release is at the bottom. I managed to wiggle it out slowly bit by bit until it was free, but if you were to pull it out quickly with force, the retainer may break. Now release the electrical connector for the tweeter speaker. The electrical connector for the wing mirror control is just below, which also needs to be disconnected. The lower block of this connector hooks onto the panel and also needs to be released, but it can be tricky to remove. Now to remove the upper Torx T25 screw. Next, remove the 10mm central nut. The wing mirror can now be released by squeezing in these two black spring tabs. Make sure you have a good grip on the wing mirror casing to stop it dropping to the floor. With a plastic trim tool, I remove the mirror plate, starting in this corner, then moving along the lower side. It should release without much effort. Pull out the indicator strip light. Gently lever off the shell cover. Remove the long Torx screw from the center, which is a T9, and then you should be able to pop off the head of the mirror plate holder. Behind this piece, the rear rotation unit can be removed after taking out another two T9 Torx screws located in these two circled areas. You should be able to remove everything from the black shell casing via the rear hoe, and then finally take off the damaged black shell casing. Grab the new shell casing and reassemble everything in reverse. When removing old mirror glass from its supporting plate, use safety gloves and goggles, plus put a layer of masking tape on top of the mirror glass. Back to the car and for the assembly, which is doing everything in reverse of the removal procedure. Now for the last job, removing the backing from the mirror sticky pads and applying light pressure by cleaning the mirror with some tissues. If you have any comments or questions, please put them below. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.